SDG 1 is the first of the 17 Sustainable Development Goals created by the United Nations in 2015. Goal 1 is to end all forms of poverty. Poverty means being very poor, so poor that you don't have basic things like food or clothing. Poverty exists in every country, but in some places the situation is more serious. People living in conflict zones are among the poorest, and many of them are children. Goal 1 says that we should first help those who need it most. People with no food and no clean drinking water need help urgently. Goal 1 has 5 parts. Part 1 is to end extreme poverty. Part 2 is to reduce all poverty by 50%. Part 3 is to create basic support systems like free schools and hospitals. Part 4 is equal access to technology. Part 5 is protection from disasters like floods or fires.